Hello and welcome to the 11th video of my love story series. If you don't know what I'm talking about, entire playlist is linked up here. And yeah, in the previous video I said I'm gonna try it again, one more try. But I am not getting a chance, man. The video after I did that video on 11th date, like I tried on that day, I will tell you what happened. But like before that, even before that, I have been trying the same thing, but I just don't get a chance. I didn't get the chance on 11 date too. I will tell you why. Because of this fridge. Like there is a fridge now. We have a fridge now. Like she used to come to the gym either on foot or on the Jupiter. But now she comes with a fridge. Like, and also goes with the fridge. Like in terms of fridge, like fridge protecting the snacks. There is some other woman, like I know she used to come to the gym, she has been coming to the gym for a long time, but yeah, I know that yeah, she is old, like she must be more than 30. Yeah. And this girl, she like she is very attached to this girl, like this woman who is 30, more than 30. Like let's just call her Fridge because I don't know the name. I am not being disrespectful in any shape or form, but I don't know the name, so yeah, we will just call her Fridge. I'm sorry. Yeah. So this Fridge, like, so like on the 11th date, like I have seen she goes home with the fridge, so like I can't talk to her in the gym. Like she has earphones and she gives me very dry replies, and I just don't feel like it, that I am just not able to start a conversation in the gym. I don't know why. Like I have got chances, but I am not able to do it. Like she is doing sets. Like I will tell you what happened. Like on 11th date, I go to the gym, she was doing sets. Like I asked to alternate, she's like okay, and then she just gets off. I do a set and I just don't get a chance. After I just get off, she starts doing the set, and after she does, like, you know how it happens, right? Like I just don't get a chance, and I don't know if that's actually something happening or that's just my mind telling me no. I don't know if actually I'm not getting any chance, or it's just like my mind is fucked, so yeah. I don't have confidence, that's why I just can't talk. I don't know what is happening, but yeah, I am not getting any chance. I have been trying for a long time. And today is Friday. This is being recorded on a Friday morning. So I don't know if she will come to the gym or not. But yeah, one positive thing that I can see is for the last 8 weeks, or however many weeks it has happened, I haven't skipped a single day in the gym. Because every day I have hope. She has skipped many, but I haven't skipped any because of hope. So yeah, that's a good thing. But yeah, I'm still feeling hopeless and feeling like shit. Yeah, like just before I started recording this video, I just woke up, and yeah, I have been feeling like shit, man. I have told you what are the mental effects in the previous video. I don't want to talk about it again. But it's okay. And yeah, the main thing that happened, like on the Thursday, on previous day, was like I wanted to talk to her. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna start a conversation. I am having problems in the gym. I will do it on foot. Like she most probably is on foot, right? Because like I thought that, because I thought Fridge and her are coming at the different times, but no. Like yesterday I saw that I was pretty far from her society gate, but I could see the gate. Like there is this long straight, right side there's the gate, and there's the long straight. So while going to the gym, I take a left turn from my society. I take a left turn, and there's this long straight which you have to go on. In that straight, in the start of that straight, there is the society gate in the right side. So yeah, I was like standing like pretty far from that, so no one can see me. But I wanted to know that if she's on foot or not. So I was like pretending to talk on a phone and all that. But then I thought that she's gonna come out and she's just gonna go on foot. But no, like this fridge is not just for like dropping her home, but also picking her from the home. Yeah, like she also saw me, so maybe she got suspicious. The fridge, the way that my friend, he's our ally, like I have explained it, he told me that she is a fridge. He said he knows her, be careful, she's an actual fridge. Yeah, she will protect her, even if I'm not a bad person, but she will protect her. Yeah, I'm not a bad person, man. Like, this is not a word to be used. She doesn't need protection from me. She does not need to be protected from me. I am not going to harm her. I am not a harmful guy. I am just a lover. Yeah. Anyways. So, yeah. And, like, I was like, it was like 6:15. She hasn't come. It was like I was waiting there for 15 minutes. It's been like 6:15 and there is no signs of her. Then I see this fridge come from behind me, and like she even saw me, so most probably she got suspicious already, but I don't know. And then she stops near the gate. Then she comes, like she was on the gate, standing at the gate, but she didn't come out, and she didn't come out and went for the gym. She was just standing in the gate, and as this fridge comes, like she sits on the Activa that she has, like she has a two-wheeler vehicle. So yeah, then she sits with the fridge and they go to the gym. Like watching this just broke me, man. I was like, that was the only chance that I had. I was like, that is the only option. Like in the gym, I am not able to do it. After the workout is over, she's with fridge. Before is the only chance. Before is also with fridge. Yeah. So like she comes with fridge, she goes with fridge. Now everything is in the gym. We have to do it in the gym. That is the hard part. But I will still do it. I have done it before. Like I have had many conversations in the gym. But yeah, I'm just not able to start, man. I don't know why. I think she's avoiding me whenever I try to get a conversation, or I don't know what is happening. Maybe I'm overthinking and she's not avoiding. It's just normal behavior. I don't know. But I have been blocked. She has told me not to talk, so what do you expect? And it has been like 20 days after that has happened. All these 20 days, I just couldn't get a chance. I am trying this since day one, yeah. So we have a fridge in our way now. She comes with fridge, goes with fridge. So what the fuck do I do? How do I talk to her, man? Like this shit is crushing me, man. Like, I know, I am aware I shouldn't be obsessed with a girl this much, but I have told you about this in the previous video. I just don't want it to happen, man. That is the title, I think. Yeah. That has happened. Like, that was a shitty day yesterday. Maybe today, I don't know if she's gonna come out to the gym or not, but if she does, we'll try. Friday, Saturday, usually she is present. Like, she's not present, but sometimes she is. Like, she's very inconsistent. Like, she comes to the week, like gym, like whole week, but she has skipped Monday many times, and Friday, Saturday are skipped the most. So yeah, we will see what happens, and yeah, I just hope that I can somehow get rid of the fridge. Like, please, I want to talk, man. Like, we only have 1 month, barely 1 month left. Like, I have to do this, but I am not able to. Like, this is making me feel like shit. My mood is bad all day. Like, I don't even have Ved in my contact right now. Like, he hasn't come to the gym for like a week or two. I have no one to talk about this. Like, when you talk about it, you feel a bit lighter. But so I want to do that. But when you just have it in your heart, it just keeps bothering you in your heart. But I have no one to talk about this. So no problem. That's why I use the camera. That's why I tell you guys. Like, when you share it, it provides relief. Like, when you share the pain, it becomes less. So yeah, that has what has happened, and yeah, I will keep you guys updated. That is it for the video. This was the quick update that I wanted to give, and I will meet you in the next one. Bye bye.